Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Young Roots, yours and my favorite channel where we'll study a lot, learn a lot. Come on, let's get digged into the video. Today I'm going to tell you the alternative spelling for the ow sound. Yes, do you remember the ow diagram? I have done this before. The ow, when a needle picks you in your hand and you say, ow, I got hurt. So this is the ow. OU makes the ow sound. So we have an alternative spelling for the ow sound. That is the OW. That also makes the ow sound. So first let us revise the ow sound that we've already done. OU, I will share you the link in my description box. We've already done this diagram which makes the ow sound. We've done a story on also on that. Please check that link before you start with this video. So it is ow house, ow mouse, ow cloud, ow count, out mouth. Okay, so did you analyze, or did you identify the ow comes in the middle of the word? It doesn't come at the end, because in English we have a rule: the word doesn't end with a u sound. Okay, so this ow sound comes in the middle of the word, right? Now we have the ow sound, that is OW, that also makes the ow sound. So let's read ow, cow, down, owl, owl, howl, gown, crown. Yes. So whenever you have the ow sound, so you don't know which one to use. Over here I've written it so you feel it's easy. But the babies get confused when it is the ow sound, which one to use, OU or OW. The first one rule you can say in English, it doesn't end with U. The second rule you can say that when it is followed by N, you have to use OW. When it is followed by N, you have to use OW. And the third one, when it is followed by you have to use OW. So the two rules, it doesn't end with U. Where it is followed by N, you have to use OW. And when it is followed by L, you have to use OW. So this is the rule which you can teach the babies. And furthermore, you can also give an exercise to which OW comes in or OU comes in. Tick the right one. I will show you now. So you can give this exercise, and before starting this exercise, let them revise once. What is the rule? The word doesn't end with U. If the ow sound is followed by L and N, you have to use OW. So come on babies, let's do this exercise. You have to tick the correct word which has used the correct ow sound, whether it will be OU or OW. So you have to correct that. So let's start. Cloud. Or will it come CLOW or OU, baby? Is it followed by N or L? No. So this is the correct one. Okay. Next one. Crown or na. So it is followed by N. So which one would be right? Yes, this one would be the right one. Sprout or out. Does it follow by N and L? No. So this one would be the correct one. Okay. Gown. See. So this one would be the one would be this correct word. So this is the way you can use lot of exercise to make them practice which ow sound to use in the word. Practice is the key success to get all your alternative spelling correctly. So please keep following our channel for more tips and more exercise and worksheets like this. Bye.